Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Boom. Yeah. It's giving judge.
I've literally got them on my screen as well. Yeah, we have Amelia R. Wait. You guys want
to Solomon, I'm going to put you on the end of the row. Big Paulie.
I'm recording it.
And all around the earth, the water side. Hi! I got some gum and I just finished my You didn't know, did you? Well, I finished it about 40 minutes ago.
I've zoomed in so far.
2.5 hours. It was a lot longer than 40 minutes ago, love. 2.5 hours.
Got the contract.
Oh, she's back. God, hey. No, but it was not fun and I thought I was going to die because I've got migraine. I'm going to be famous on YouTube. Can you follow my TikTok, please?
Yeah, go. So what is it? Do you want me to put it in the...
Yeah, put it in there.
Yeah.
Okay, right here.
It'll be on the screen or on her face right now.
Comments? Do you
Yeah,
want to be in it?
comments. Do you want to be in it?
Hi.
Hello?
Oh, she's hungry. I'm listening to Erin. Let's make memories. Are you? I have a house to smash. These are my favourite things ever.
Not you dropping it.
And we got some.
Wait, what are they?
Should do. Do you want to come to the player final or something?
She's going to be
So I want to what?
Player final.
What? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, because you're going to be allowed to go to London without a parent.
Yeah, I've zoomed right.
Say hi, Liz.
Hey guys.
How do I turn the camera around?
What do you mean, like this? No, album cover. Yep, okay, you're going to zoom in on me. I know you are.
I already am.
Like what? This is Tuesday.
This is Tuesday the 21st. We are in our last film studies lesson.
Yep. Amelia just made me cry.
Getting ready to cry. Things to work for her. How cute. Don't you just love being single?
What are you doing? I'm scared.
We're vlogging.
I'm scared. Whoa!
Which way zoom? That's
Zoom in front and walk backwards. Yes!
It was like not just.
We was in a record and vlog.
Oh fuck off.
This is like a goodbye now.
Subscribe to Alicia and I do. Click the bell for notifications.
And like the video.
Thanks for watching.
Let's sign their signature on that. Bring me back my wife. There's a ghost, Sam.
Oh
Who sleep apart.
Okay, there we go.
Again?
Yeah, please go.
Alicia, I'm 16.
Emma, how old and your name?
I'm Emma, I'm 15 because I'm the baby. I'm Lila and I'm 15.
Hold on, I can't see you. Jess, 16.
Leah, I'm 15.
Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm 15.
Hello everyone. Hello. Oh, why is it so zoomed in? Hello. Emma's never used the camera before apparently. We're currently walking to school at 8:33. It's a bit hot.
Can we run like that on the way to school?
Yeah, I'd love to. Also, I need to find Mr. Whiteley. Can we go find Mr. Whiteley? It's a bit early and I need to track him down. You're not my ex, you're just my wife.
Fucking love you guys. I'm too short for the camera.
You fuck up my life. I'm gonna go now, guys, because we've got to save it for the day. But I love you all.
This way. This is Hepsie and that's Beth. This is my YouTube video. You want to be in the YouTube video? This is Lila. Yeah. This guys. Boom. Go.
Good luck, Alicia, I love you. Bye, Alicia, we'll miss you.
Gordon, hey, we had the Leave Assembly. I cried. Yeah. Lucy's behind the camera right now. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, we cried. Right, we've got Solomon. He's got 2 more. We've got Riley. Boom! The camera's literally like gone, so I'm on my phone. Yeah, Chimnay and Solomon. Boom.
How many times am I going to be in?
I don't know, but you know, it's for, you want to be on my YouTube video?
It's just going to be like this.
Yeah. So the day has ended.
So?
Day has ended.
Over and out.
Yeah, over and out. Ah! Woo! Yeah! This is it, guys. The final time. Well,
I still need a wig.
this is it. This is it. This is it. Oh my God, she's signing.
Oh, wait, no, wait. Oh my God, absolutely, yeah.
She's signing. She signed it. Wait. Yes! Wait. We've done. We're done. That was it. This is it. Walk down and I'll like. This is it. Woo! I feel like a mom. Oh, look at my children! Never mind. Up the stairs now. Go up the stairs.
Turn right.
Yep.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6.